This is the Bluebird speedometer that we received today, and we are going to run some tests. Over here, I have a J1708 simulator that I set the speed to around 65 miles per hour, to which the speedometer is currently pointing at. To test the backlight, we can turn the switch on, off, and it seems to be working accordingly. If we look at the odometer down here, it is around 4.9 miles. If we turn the ignition off, the dial will turn off and the odometer will black out. If we turn it back on, the pointer will resume to its original position of 65 miles per hour, but the odometer will reset to 0 and return to steadily climbing. This is an issue that we are going to need to resolve. This is the Bluebird speedometer we received a few days ago. We replaced the odometer module and reaccumulated the mileage to its original value in accordance to the road relay. Let's test it out. First, we can turn this backlight on and off, on, and we see that the backlights are working pretty well. The odometer is reading 67,978.6 miles. While the speedometer is pointing at 0 miles per hour. Using the J1708 simulator, which is set at 10 miles per hour, and turning on the ignition, we see that the speedometer is now pointing at 10 miles per hour. However, if we unplug both the simulator and turn off the ignition and the backlights, we turn them back on, we see that the odometer has kept its initial value of 67,978.6 miles. The issue has now been resolved. Hooray!